Question 6, a bit of geometry. We're told that triangle DBA is an isosceles triangle with these two sides equal, the two blue sides, and we're asked to find this angle here. Well, straight away I might as well put this angle here as angle X. If this is an isosceles triangle, these two angles are equal. So I can say that 2x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. And that's because angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Okay, now working on this ratio, I've got x to y is equal to 2 to 1. So therefore I can say x over y is equal to 2 over 1. And therefore x is equal to 2y. So effectively, we've now got two simultaneous equations. Equation 1 and equation 2. So if I substitute 2 into equation 1, 2x, that means 4y plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, y equals 180 over 5, which is equal to 36 degrees. So this guy here is 36 degrees. So therefore I can say that w plus y is equal to 180 degrees. And the reason for that is that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So therefore I can say that w must equal 180 minus y, so this is minus 36 degrees. And that's equal to 144 degrees. And that is your answer.